In this video, I'll show you how to remove the steering wheel airbag from a Toyota Yaris. First, locate those two holes in the plastic on each side. And for that, you'll need a Torx T30. Alright, I don't know why the footage got deleted, but you'll need that bit on a ratchet and maybe an extension, and remove the two screws. Once you're done, just gently pull out the airbag. You'll need to remove this cable, the white connector here. Just press on the tab and pull. And now to remove the orange connectors, you see there's a yellow tab there. You need to put a flathead screwdriver and pull up. This way the cable will be released. Do the same for the other one. So go under this tab and pull up, and it will release it. And be careful out there because the airbag will drop if you're not careful, like I did right here. I was filming with my other hand. And you're done. This is how you remove your Yaris airbag.